Hi, I'm Professor Dilday, a world-renowned paleontologist, and welcome to Triassic Park. This park was designed to make a safe refuge for dinosaurs. A few years ago, a time machine was built that, sadly, short-circuited and caused several dinosaur species to be sent to the present world. Today, my partners and I are going on a search for eggs, with the hope that when the young reptiles hatch, we can closely study the creatures and learn more about them in the future. Now my partner, Dr. Jessica Cheney, is here to fill you in on our daring plans for today.
Good afternoon. Today, we are going to obtain some eggs from the park to be raised in our labs for research. We will later release the grown reptiles back into the park to live like the rest of the inhabitants. G'day. I am the task taker. I've made sure that the land has been properly prepared for our unique wildlife. The dinosaurs are from the Triassic period, so I created a perfect world for the species. Lots of ferns grew during the Triassic period, along with coal swamps and humid weather. You would understand the placing of the park in Florida due to the humid atmosphere. Now, we're going to enter the park on our search. We have never gone this deep into the park, so we don't know what to expect.
The Triassic was a time of transition. Pangea existed at this time, altering global climate and ocean circulation. The Triassic period follows the largest extinction in the history of life, and any survivors of that event spread and recolonized. The Triassic period was during the Mesozoic era and was the beginning of the age of the dinosaurs. It had extreme climates with lush green areas around bodies of water. It also had no flowering plants that were evolved during this time.
The oceans teem with the ammonites, mollusks, and sea urchins that survived the Permian extinction. The bottom ring of the food chain was filled with microscopic plants called phytoplankton. Frogs, salamanders, crocodiles, turtles, and snakes moved on and off Triassic waters. On firm ground, moss, liverwort, and ferns carpeted forests of conifers, ginkgos, and palm-like cycads. Spiders, scorpions, millipedes, and centipedes thrived. But perhaps the biggest changes came with the evolution of the dinosaurs and the first mammals in the late Triassic, starting around 230 million years ago. Pterosaurs, a group of flying reptiles, took to the air.
Hello everyone. Alright. We currently found several pterosaur nests. Sadly, they've been abandoned, but we're in luck. Over here in this very tree, we found another egg from a flying reptile. Some type of pterosaur. We're going to take it for analysis. Hopefully they won't mind. And now let's move on with the search. Among the first dinosaurs was the two-footed carnivore Coelophysis. We've just found a nest of one. We must be very cautious. This dinosaur is dangerous. It grows up to 9 feet tall, weighs up to 100 pounds, and feeds on small reptiles and amphibians. Here's an egg. We'll take it for analysis. Wait, what is it? There is an egg in there. I want to poke it.
I want to poke it! Poke it! Okay, poke. So we're not supposed to touch it, but I think I'm just going to hold it.
Now, we're going to put the eggs in the nesting chambers made specifically for their liking. Each one labeled nicely. They haven't been released, so. And the Coelophysis egg.
Well, I guess it's just you and me, Sheila. You and me.